Hello children, very good morning to everyone. In the last class you have seen vowels and consonants. We have 26 alphabets. In that 26 we have vowels and consonants. Which are those vowels? We have 5 vowels. That is A, E, I, O and U. And we have 21 consonants. Except those vowels, we have 21 consonants. So today we are going to continue that vowels and consonants and see what exactly these vowels are and consonants and how to make the words using this vowels and consonants. Shall we start? Before we start, I want to So now let us circle which are the vowels now. See, I have written A to Z here, alphabets. So we shall see which are the vowels now. A is our vowel, circle that A. E is our vowel, circle that E. I is our vowel, circle that O, I. Then O is our vowel, circle that O. Then U is our vowel. Totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 are your vowels. Remaining all these are your consonants. Understood children? A is our vowel, E is our vowel, I is our vowel, O is our vowel and U is our vowel. Totally we have how many? 5. So now we will see what exactly this vowel is. See, a vowel is a sound that is made by allowing breath to flow out of your mouth without closing any part of your mouth or throat. In simple words, I'll explain you what exactly this vowel is. See, when you say this vowel, that is 5 vowels, A, E, I, O and U. When you say these 5 vowels, your mouth is open, like you can say freely. No, like uh, no stress like in your mouth. You can openly say that A, E, I, O and U. When you say these words, your mouth is open and the tongue in the middle of your mouth is not going to touch your teeth or lips. Those words are called as what? Vowels. Remember children, when you say these words, your mouth is open and the tongue in the middle of your mouth is not touching your lips and your teeth. Those words are called as what? Vowels. Okay? See, in alphabets we have in alphabets from A to Z we have 26, right? And we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. How many consonants we have? 21 consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. See now, 26 alphabets. In this 26 alphabet, we are removing 5 as a vowels, remaining 21 as your consonants. Okay. Now we shall see what are these consonants. A consonant is a sound that is made by blocking air from flowing out of your mouth with the teeth, tongue, lips, etc. See, when you say these consonants, which are those consonants? B, C, D. See, these are your consonants, right? When you say this word, say now loudly B. When you're saying this B, when you're saying this B consonant, what is happening? When you're saying B, your lips is close together. So when you do so, what happens is your air is blocked for a second and then you release it. So that is the difference between vowels and the consonants. Understood? When you say consonants, you are going to block your air and then you have to, then it will release. So those words are called as what? Sorry, those letters are called as what? Your consonants. Understood, children? Now I guess you got the difference between the vowels and the consonants. As now you all know the difference between the vowels and consonants, which are the vowels and consonants. So we shall separate the vowels and consonants from these words now. Let us see first example, elephant. Okay, in this elephant we shall see which are the vowels and which are the consonants. See, E is our vowel, E is our vowel, and E is our vowel. So we will write the vowels here, E, E and A. Totally how many vowels? 3 vowels we have. Okay, 3 vowels we have. Remaining, what is this? L. L is our consonant. P is our consonant. H consonant. N consonant. And T consonant. So we shall write those consonants here. L,